Why hello there my YouTube buddies. Sorry about the lack of updates. Been pretty burnt out after robots, but here we are. What are we going to build today? We're going to do some CNC on this sweet bit of wood. We're going to turn that one into something like that one. So for this process, we're using some Fusion 360. This is going to be a key holder for my sister and her brother-in-law. They saw something similar online, so I drew this up. And now we're going to go cut it out and hope it works. When using your CNC machine, ensure that your toolpath is free from collisions, otherwise you will break your expensive tool bit. So, earlier in this video, I mentioned that I was trying to make a honeycomb keyring holder for my brother-in-law and my sister. So the CNC work is finally done on the router. Unfortunately, I broke it, pulling it apart, so I wanted to make it a little bit more prettier with some coloured resin, and I'm going to kill two birds, one stone here. So I'm going to join this together, pour some resin in some random ones, make it look like honey, and I'm also going to clean out, fill up these bits that you can see, maybe. So you can see where it went a bit thin and it's gone all the way through, except for here. That's on purpose. Woo! All right, let's give this a try. So, I want to pour the resin in and not have it escape through all the cracks, holes, crannies. So I'm going to join it how I want it. And then I'm going to hot glue it down all the way around. That's the plan. Cool. Beautiful. What a work of art. Okay. So we've got all that glued up. Resin mixing time. Resin mixing time. 40 and 40 gives us 100 mil. Oh, I'm also gonna add, I didn't know whether to go with like brown or yellow or this sexy brown sparkly stuff. It comes out sort of like this. I think it looks quite nice. So I'm gonna go with this one, at least for the base. And then I might put like, fill a few combs up with honey, you know, make it look a little bit more honeyish, a bit more bee-ish. $30 and $30. All right, resin. If you haven't seen my other videos, this is a 2-pack epoxy resin. So you just got to add it in even parts. So 50-50. Excuse me. Yeah. So you just put, say, what we're doing today, we're doing 30 mil of one, 30 mil the other, 60 mil all up. Mix her together, put some colouring in it, and then pour. Oh my. No matter how careful we are, this stuff goes everywhere, so gloves are a must. Mix it together for a while. Isn't that just gorgeous? It's just gorgeous. Make sure you scrape the sides. Okay. Child. Should have put something non-sticky underneath. Too late now. Okay. Cool. Well, that's it for this bit. Now we're going to figure out what size things are going to go in here. That'll be next. Cool, so we've got our CNC routed inserts to hold the keys. They're oiled. I've just chilled a little bit more out so there's no oil where we're gluing them in. Now how am I going to do this and have all of them perfectly? They're having to do them one by one. So this is my dodgy little setup. Hey dog. These are just the tops from spray cans. Do something like that, I reckon. Perfect. So I've gone back to me Deadly Art resin 2-part. Beautiful. Done. So, last night I glued these buggers in with some epoxy and they're all done, ready for some keys, so that's it. This project is finally completed. The hardest thing I've done on the CNC yet. I think it came out just friggin' great. Huzzah! Finish! Yes! Cool. Well, hope you've enjoyed this really long and intricate process of CNC, epoxy, oil, gluing, failure. Woo! Well, if you like this video, please subscribe, share, tell your mates, tell your mum. This is Creative Instigation. I'll see you next time. Thank you.